Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Last time I showed you how to root your Snapdragon variant of the Note 7. This was a T-Mobile variant. Now the process for that did get updated, so please make sure to check the description for the latest version as it gets a little bit easier. Today I'm going to show you guys some of the main customizations you can do to your Note 7 now that we have root. And not only that, can we get Xposed, right? Yeah? Okay, well this is TK. Let's check out how to customize our Note 7, and this is XTA TV. I'm going to go through some of the main things that I like to do to a device, specifically when I start by rooting it. And the first thing I'm going to say is install Xposed. The installation of Xposed is very, very simple. There's a few files that I give you guys a link in the description below. You download them, and the main thing you want to do is you want to install the Xposed binaries, the actual Xposed file that we normally flash via recovery using FlashFire. So you go into Flash Zip. You go into your download folder once you download that file, and then you just download the Xposed version 86, the STK23 ARM64 custom build by Winamp. So this is you need to specifically use this one to make sure that it works for your Note 7. Once we have the binaries installed and the device reboots, you just need to go into your file manager. I'm using Solid Explorer just to kind of let you guys know. This is very, very nice, and it does actually have and it supports root. So this is one of those few file managers that you'll be able to access and use root with it. So I'll go ahead and grant it root. This is just showing you guys that it does actually root. I'm going to go to internal memory, I'm going to go to download, and then all we need to do is install the APK here, the Xposed Installer 3.0 Alpha 4. Once you install this, you're pretty much set. Installing Xposed has never been easier. You can install it, turn it on, and download, and go ahead and start downloading your modules. I'm going to give you a short list of modules that I like to install right out of the box. A couple are actually specific to this device, and the rest are just general ones. We do have Amplify. Now this is Amplify and Greenify are very good applications to help you save battery. I've done different module reviews here on XDA. Please check them out. Global S Health enables all the different functionalities of S Health within your device, as Samsung decided that in certain countries and certain regions you have different features. Miming Guard is an ad blocker. I'm sure you guys are familiar with it. And I installed a couple extra ones, one for my Google Play Music application as well as one for my X Hangouts. As long as you're installing modules that are specific to applications, you should not have any problems. Modules that control and change different aspects of your device, that's going to be a little bit tricky, so please be careful. Now, those are the ones that I have installed. Again, the different modules that I'm showing you guys there are things that I've had covered before. Titanium Backup, of course, is the next thing that I want to install on my device, as well as ROM Toolbox by JRummy. And I have the Pro version. Unfortunately, the account that I have here is not compatible with that, so I wasn't able to download my full version here. But you can control different things, App Manager, root browser, all the different things that you'd like to do within a device. Very, very nice. Again, this is not a sponsored video, but I want to make sure you see the things that I like to do to a device. FlashFire, of course, goes out without any issues. Once we install all the different options, there is the certain set of customization that comes with the ROM that I showed you guys. The 3minit battery setup, which gives me the ability to change things here. I can open it up and change the different battery aspects. We do have the ability to go in as far as the ROM control. This came with the Sprint ROM, so not all the things are here are functional, but like status bar customizations, different things. And I think sound mods, you can disable the volume ring whenever you're going to a certain level. The other thing that we have also is the ability to customize it by installing Beats Audio. So now we have Beats Audio customizations within our device. That's something that's very, very nice. Adaway was installed also as part of one of my options, and there is a Tech HD custom mod here that gives us the ability to have all these extra options here as far as the power menu. So turning on mobile data, restart, emergency, screenshot, screen record, power off, as well as turning on S-Bike mode. This is very helpful if you use it. Next thing I want to make sure you guys have access to is Viper for Android. Installing it is really nice, but the first thing you need to do before doing this, let's go back one more time, you need to make sure to install and make sure that BusyBox is installed correctly. Once you have that on, turn it on, and you're pretty much good. You can install Viper for Android, and of course, Dolby Atmos. This is very, very nice. It gives us the ability to even have a better experience. Now, you don't have to have all these mods installed, but I'll give you guys access to them, and you can download them. And Greenify, of course, has Xposed functionalities that make it even more powerful when you have root on your device, to be able to not only greenify system apps, but also understand what's going on. Very, very nice. Very short list. Of course, you guys could have some more things. You can test it out on your device once you have root and everything. Let me know in the comments below. The ability to have root on your device is amazing, and I still really cherish the ability to be able to gain root on any device that I have. One of the main things I want to mention to you guys is Xposed is definitely a very powerful tool, but it also could work against you. So be aware that when you're downloading and installing different modules, download them and be understanding that you need to be careful. If it doesn't work and it's going to take you into a boot loop, you may have to basically disable them. And the only thing at this point is that we don't have a custom recovery installed on this. So you need to make sure that you're comfortable and just check and make sure that other people have used them. The modules that I'm showing you here are not device-specific modules. They're more application-specific modules with the exception of Winamp. The other mods, of course, have been tested by the developer as far as the Beats, the Viper for Android. That's always good on any device. I mean, you can just ask anybody that has root and first thing they'll say, Viper for Android. Of course, the Beats and the Dolby Atmos options are very, very nice. This is definitely if you're an audiophile and you want to get better audio experience out of your Note 7. There's additional customizations. I'm sure you guys could check out the link in the description below. I'll give you guys a link to the Note 7 thread to get more and more information on how to get the best experience out of your Note 7. This is TK. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like and subscribe as usual to this channel and to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.